Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's continue talking about statements in C. In this video we're going to dive deep. So let's just start by creating a variable called number. We're not going to assign any value now. We're going to read some value from the keyboard. Let's type enter some number /n. Let's read this number %d and pointer number. So we've read this number. Now we have to make a decision. So let's make a decision, guys. Let me explain first. So let's say that I'm building a program that needs a variable to make a decision. So for example, I have a program that reads the temperature, and if the temperature is too high, I turn on the fans or something like that. So we need to make a decision. So for example, we know that to make a statement use a mathematical operation, but today I'm going to introduce the keyword if. But first let's just store a number. For instance, int answer is going to be equal. Let's write a mathematical operation. If number, I should change to temp because it's temperature, so it's easier to understand. Temperature. If temperature is greater than 70. Okay, so I have this program. Let's come back. Let's print this number on the screen. So yeah, pretty much the program. Let's compile and execute. Yeah, let me see. I do have a problem here. Okay, I forgot to put this here. So this is a more detailed version that you guys will see. So we have it's gonna ask me to enter some number. I'm gonna enter 65, which shows 0. This means that this answer variable received a 0 value because 75 is not greater than 70, which state is expected. By the way, now we're gonna use the if statement. So the if statement simplifies that. So the if statement will only be executed if 1, okay, if true. So you need to remember that. Let's just write the same function. We're gonna open curly brackets to write some code. The temperature is too high. Okay, so we got this. Let's compile and execute. I forgot something, didn't I? Let me see, guys. Okay, this is not available anymore. Let's execute. So let's type 65. So we aren't able to see a result. Let's change this to, okay, let's just compile again, execute again, and type 75. Now we see the temperature is too high. So this is a simple example, guys, just to show you how to use if. Remember that this will basically returns 0 or 1, the operation itself, and if you guys already know why it was executed. So it was pretty much if 1, for instance, something like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.